The iPhone 17e, everything you need to know. Apple just shock up the budget smartphone market, and here we go. This is the new iPhone 17e, and for the first time in a year, budget does not mean compromise. For 64,900, Apple just doubled the storage, added MagSafe, and dropped their flagship A19 chipset. But is it actually worth your money or just a deal breaker in 2026? Let's dive in it. 17e runs on the A19 chip, while it is a slightly bin version with a 4-core GPU instead of 5-core. But the standard 17 still delivers the top tier speed for Apple Intelligence and heavy gaming. The biggest surprise, base variant is now in 256GB, that is double what we got the last year in exact same price. It features the new C1X 5G modem, which Apple claim up to 2x faster. You got a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED protection by Ceramic Shield 2, and Apple says the new glass is 3x more scratch resistance, which is huge win for durability. The jump A18 to A19 offers about 10% boost in GPU performance, but the real world difference is C1X modem superior 5G stability. The same old unfortunate 17e still keeps the old traditional notch and a 60Hz refresh rate. So if you want the dynamic island or 120Hz refresh rate, then you have to set up for the standard iPhone 17, and also follow and subscribe for more such content.